Hey guys, welcome back again from Tampa Bay. Out for another little relaxing ride here. I'm going to buzz through the neighborhood. We've been having a lot of new road construction. They've been fixing a ton of the roads, got messed up over the years from rains and flooding and everything. Just want to check it out. Been a while since I've been through it all. I'm headed out down to Redbox. Pick up a copy of Hell or Highwater. I'd skipped over it. Usually I buzz by the kiosks whenever I go shopping and just check out what's new. And it didn't really look that interesting. Just looking at the synopsis on the screen there, but I just saw kind of a trailer promo and it looks really good. I didn't know Jeff Bridges was in it. So I'm going to pick up a copy. I'm definitely a movie buff. I have a vast collection of movies at home on the server. I stream them out to the home theater in the living room. I've always had to try to create the best home theater experience I can fit and afford over the years. Very happy with what I've got going on right now. I upgrade parts of it here and there. I do not anticipate doing anything except the screen in the future. Right now I've got one of the last great plasmas that were ever produced, but they never got that big. It's only a 60-inch, but the picture is just absolutely perfect. And I would rather have a perfect picture and a slightly smaller screen than, say, a 70-inch or even an 80 and have an inferior LCD experience. And frankly, I can't afford the OLEDs. That would be awesome, but yeah, no thanks. And you know what? The OLEDs have the same problem that plasmas have, and that's screen burn. I really don't like that. I do have an issue with screen burn. Just using our normal stuff. Wow, I cannot see around that pole. What we use is the Apple TV as the interface device. Should have went. And it works out great. The wife watches Hulu and Netflix and YouTube. I watch Netflix and streaming all my movies through an app called Infuse Pro. I think that's what it's called, Infuse. Go ahead, man. Hurry up. Oh, man. Didn't want to make him second guess. And it's really fantastic. The only limitation it has is it will not stream, oh crap, what's it called? The Atmos. And I can't remember what the Sony version of Atmos is, but that requires actual direct connection from an enabled Blu-ray device. That's the, whoa, just totally skidded out on that sand. That was just slick as snot. Did the old Harley shuffle there for a second. But it doesn't bother me because I don't have or would even want an Atmos system because my living room is very small. There's hardly any support out there. For those of you who don't know, Atmos is a system where it can have speakers above you. So you not only have a full surround, but you can have some verticality to it. And there are some movies that have been kind of a showcase for it. I think I scared him. Oh man, that is just loamy beach sand from the construction. Yeah, don't like this. Well, I haven't finished these roads anyway. They are still half done. So that's what I wanted to see. But anyway, it streams everything else. Full-on Blu-ray content all the way up through DTS-MA, all the 7 ones, you know, just full quality. It's a great app. It's only like 10 bucks. And it'll take pretty much whatever kind of format file you want to throw at it. So it takes everything from the full-on rips down to, you know, MP4s, whatever you want to do, it'll tackle it. Well, that's messy. So we're going to go around all this. But anyway, I'm into ripping the Blu-rays, and Redbox is definitely the best option for any kind of new release as far as that go. They don't have a big selection. Pretty much half of whatever they get is DVD only for some reason. At least around here, Blu-rays aren't that popular. It's pretty tough, even at the Redboxes, to find a great Blu-ray selection. You know, it's not exactly an affluent area around here, so DVDs still rule. I had a question from somebody on, I think it was the last video, and he said, you know, how come you go into neutral and coast down to a light? I go into first and then hold it there at the light in case somebody is coming up behind me. Well, I do both. If I'm in the middle of traffic and I know no one's going to be sneaking up on me, yeah, I'll coast down to neutral and just, you know, sit there and not have to worry about it. But here, especially at night, here on 19, I am watching. I'm looking in the mirrors. I don't know what the camera sees, but I can see the Chevy behind me coasting to a stop, and once I know he's stopped, I can go into neutral. So I do both. You definitely have to be conscious of traffic, that's for sure. Love the sound of this pipe. Just perfect. So I'm still looking for and thinking about a good horn upgrade. About the only one that's popular is the standard replacement that's been around for sport bikes for years. And it's a fine horn. The problem is it's not different enough to really make a difference because it's only one horn. But it is a little bit louder than the stock, and it's a different tone. The nice thing about it is it's plug and play. It snaps in the exact same location. There's no wiring to do, and it's cheap. It's only like 30, 35 bucks. But what really gets people's attention is a dual horn, like I put on the FJR. If you do both a 5 and a 600 hertz horn, it's not the volume so much that gets the attention, but the combination of the sound. It snaps heads, and that's really what I want out of the horn. So I don't really care about 35 bucks, but it's just not worth doing the mod to me if it's not going to be really effective. But we'll see. I'm still thinking about where to put a dual horn. There's other options. You could get, say, the Denali Sound Bomb, and they have a version that has a separate compressor and dual horn system, so you know, I could sneak it somewhere. But this bike just has nowhere to hide stuff. Nothing. Even the stock horn is out in the open. Oh man, Burger King smells good. They are pumping out dinner time smoke, and it is mouth-watering. Oh, love their hamburgers. Yummy. So here's Redbox at our Winn-Dixie. Small bike, small bike. Okay, they said they had it. Why am I not seeing it? I just looked before I came. Oh, come on, you gotta be kidding me. Where's the search? Start over. Movies. Really? Okay. And there we go. I made the mistake of not grabbing that out once, and it sucked it back in. Got 3 beers coming over, probably in an hour or so. He likes to go out after dark. Coming over on the bobber, and we're going to have some smokes and chill out now that the sun's down. Did a cigar video earlier today, and oh my god, was it humid. Really, dude? Couldn't have waited 5 seconds for me to go by. Some people are just rude. So I want to give a shout out to 2 new TwoWheelObsession team members, Eamon Corner Rider and Bronco Ride. I'll put links below to their channels, and you'll see their stuff now being posted up on the site and Facebook and all that kind of good stuff, just like everybody else. Welcome. They're awesome as far as content. They are fitting right in definitely with the channel. And very diverse. It is really cool how we have, even though stuff in common between all the team members, everyone puts out, man, that was slick as hell too. What is with all this sand? It's pissing me off. We have very different content to watch, so there really is something for everybody. All kinds of age ranges, genders, countries, terrain, types of videos, all kinds of stuff. And we've got more coming. I'm always on the hunt for great talent to promote. You know, it's totally free. It's just me getting together people that are like-minded and promoting us all. That's it. That's what the site's about. That was a huge bug. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Where's your pupper do?